Welcome to Get3 Rumah Produksi Channel.
Okay guys, now we want to learn how to create t-shirt illustration of t-shirt. Yeah, but I will import first the illustration that I create on paper. Okay, look at this. Okay, import. Okay, yeah, this illustration I create on paper by pen. Look at this. I have width 59 centimeter and height 72 centimeter. Okay, let's try to create. I will make a rectangle first. Yeah, rectangle first that they have width 59 centimeters and 72 centimeters. Okay, look at this. Yeah, okay, I will plagiarize that image. Yeah, I will divide 2 from. Okay, divide 2. This the center of illustration. Okay, let's try. I will start from here. Look at this one. Okay, for this one, yep, I will start from here. Click, maybe, yeah, click, 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 double click. Yeah, it's an illustration that we have. We can drop a fill here. Yeah, I will try to plagiarize this. Yeah, now we want to make a curve here. Yeah, choose make curve like this. Choose right click, make curve like this. Okay, that's it. Wait a minute. Okay, this one, yeah, this one. Okay, this, yeah, remember we can use snapping. Yeah, snapping to object or snapping to guideline, but in this case I use snap to object. Okay, this to curve. Get this. Yeah, okay, now I will try to create. I use Bezier tool. Okay, one, that one. Yeah, now here and here. Okay, want to create curve like this. Yeah, okay, now I will to create the hand. Yeah, click, maybe here. Okay, and here. After that I want to make curve. Yeah, okay, that's the draft of illustration of t-shirt. Okay, I will now to create maybe this. Use maybe it. Yeah, I want to use. Okay, I want to curve this. Then convert to curve, and then I want to make a curve. I will take the center. Yeah, maybe like this. Okay, it's enough, I think. Okay, that's it. Yeah, now I want to make a same illustration for this. First I want to set nodes offset first. Okay, maybe 100 millimeters, and then I want to move this. Yeah, move this. Okay, I want to. Okay, 1 2 3 4. Okay, yeah, I want to group this object first. Yeah, and then copy and then paste here. But now I will transformation this image. Use scale and mirror and choose horizontal mirror, play like this, and then click here. That's it. Yeah, okay, this illustration does 1 2 3 4. Okay, yeah, move it first. 1 2 3 4. Okay, now I want to copy this one. Yeah, okay, and I want to make maybe well, yeah. Okay, ungroup all, and this ungroup all first. Okay, I want to delete. Oh, sorry. Break curve here, and then break curve here, and break curve apart. Yeah, like this. Okay, and here too. This break curve, this break curve, and break curve apart. Okay, that's it. Yeah, now I want to find this. Yeah, okay, this, and then add nodes. After that, break. Yeah, after that, break. Yeah, after that, break here. Break 2, and then break curve. Okay, I want to clear this. That's it. Yeah, here too. Yeah, for this, sorry. Okay, want to find, maybe we will zoom like this. Here, and then add nodes. Yeah, and then break here too, and break curve apart. I will clear this. It's okay. Now, okay, now I want to combine. Yeah, combine, and then join. Yeah, join this nodes. Yeah, join this node, all nodes, 2 nodes on other object. Yeah, this. If you want to fill, it's not drop here. Okay, that's it. Yeah, here I want to increase the outline. Yeah, okay, like this. And then 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, and then send to back like this. That's it. Maybe I want to change the okay, this. I want to see the result first. Okay, if we want to make a different colors, we can copy first CV like this. Yeah, and then break, ungroup, clear. Maybe we have another idea. Yeah, another idea. Okay, Control C, Control V, and then mirror horizontal, I think. Okay, that's it. We can make a group, and then we can take here. That's it. Yeah. But now, what is? Oh, okay. This, and I want to take it outline pen. Look at this. That's it. Yeah. Okay. Then friends group. Okay. That's our project. How to create illustration of t-shirt. On next lesson, I will teach all of you this design. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Other t-shirt fit. Okay. Fix. Okay. Thank you for watching. See you on next lesson. Thank you. See you soon, Sobatris. We meet next time. Don't miss it.
Don't forget subscribe, like, and share guys. Turn on notification.